Howdy there, YouTube. Revolving Shelf. I almost messed up there. Revolving Shelf Series Part 1. Well, Part 2 really, because the first part was the intro. So this is something I just picked up today at a really good price at my Habitat for Humanity restore. Big shout out to them. Even though I don't get anything from them, I don't have a problem giving them support because they're not for profit, and so am I. So got this stainless hinge here. This door kept breaking off when we did the kitchen remodel. I had it attached for a little while. It broke right off again. So it's going to get some of these piano hinges on the front down here, and it's going to pivot open. And I've got this. Of course, it'll be mounted more to the front here. Then I'll do a filler piece in the back and the side, and I'll have a little slot down here for some knives or something. Not quite sure what to put in there yet, but we'll figure it out. This should be a fairly quick one, and it should turn out pretty dang good. This isn't even used. You definitely see the scratches from the silverware if there have been any stored in there. Score. So for that much for that, and that much for that, there's my revolving shelf project. So we'll cut and we'll get to work. And there it is. Didn't take me long at all. Got this kick down drawer. Boom, that opens up. Got some room for some knives down here. I'll recover this with some more contact paper. And you got room for knives, and over here maybe some whisks or some kind of other attachments. I'll probably end up attaching this down. I don't right now. I want to find the right screws because I don't like things that cut my hand when I'm moving stuff around. So throw some paint on this, screw this down, boom, done. My very few dollar revolving shelf cabinet door. And I left some of the threads sticking out of these screws that hold on the drawer slides. So that holds it in place with some friction, even though I put some chamfers because it didn't want to close, so I just chamfered it with a sander. Done. Done and done. So, hope you enjoyed it. For a couple dollars, you can replicate something that costs a couple hundred. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.